St. Matthews Lutheran Church on Upper King Street is one of the tallest buildings in downtown Charleston. I've read the steeple height as somewhere between 275 and 300 feet, depending on the sources that you're looking at, and it is the ultimate height limit for any new building being built in the city of Charleston. The church did suffer a devastating fire in 1965, and the upper portions of the church had to be rebuilt. The top 18 feet of the steeple actually fell off the church and impaled itself into the ground just to the south side of the steeple base today, where it still remains, with only about the top 3 feet showing. And the church just recently underwent a massive restoration, which cost the church over $7 million and was completed not too long ago. You may remember it being covered with scaffolding. If you get a chance to come by and see this incredible church on Upper King, don't miss it. It is one of the more impressive churches and best sets of stained glass in the city of Charleston.